Sad Puppy, a meditation for kids. Hello, little learners. Welcome to this guided meditation. I am going to tell you an imagination story with our new friend, Tiny Tyler. In this story, you are going to pretend in your mind's eye to be Tiny Tyler. For this story, I need you to find a comfortable and quiet place. You can sit or lie down. The most important part is for you to take deep and slow breaths. Now it is time to close your eyes. We are going to go on an imagination journey with Tiny Tyler. With your eyes closed, I want you to take a deep breath in. Now let that breath out. You're going to do it again one more time. Nice and deep, take that breath in. And now let that breath out. In your mind's eye, deep inside your mind, I want you to think that you are a cute little puppy with soft white and brown fur and an adorable little red bow tie. But for some reason, maybe one you know, or maybe one you don't know, you feel sad today. Feeling sad is okay, but we're going to try to work together to help you start to feel better. You're going to take a nice deep breath and bring the happy or the calm in. And then let it out. Push the sad back out. We're going to take a couple of deep breaths. And you're going to imagine that as that little puppy, you're going to start to feel a little less sad as you calm down. Breathe in. And now let the deep breath out, pushing the bad out and feeling nice and calm. You take your little pause and you decide to go over to your art center. And you find a piece of paper and a pack of crayons. You're going to draw a beautiful picture of a happy place, somewhere you like to go. And since you're a cute little puppy, that place is the dog park. First, you're going to take your brown and your green crayons and you're going to draw a big tree. Take a deep breath in and let that breath out as you imagine that beautiful tree, tall and strong, pointing up towards the sun. The next thing you're going to draw is a slide. You like to climb with your little puppy legs up to the very top and slide down. We're going to take a deep breath in as we imagine climbing up the ladder. Take the breath. And now let it out as you think about sliding down that slide. And the last thing that you're going to think about and draw about is a wonderful ball, your favorite toy. I want you to imagine the ball that you, a tiny little puppy, would like to play with. Is it big? Is it little? What color is your ball? Is it the favorite color that you have when you're a little kid? Or does Puppy You have a different favorite color? I'm going to imagine I have a small yellow ball and it's bouncing. Imagine it going up and down, up and down. Now I want you to think about running around the field with the soft grass in between your puppy paws. You're running as fast as you can. Do you have other puppy friends there with you? Imagine those puppies are racing with you, and you're running and you're playing. You run and play so much that you get really tired, and you don't feel sad anymore. You just feel calm. You're going to take a nice deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to let that breath out. 1, 2, 3. Now I want you to listen to the music as you lay down with your puppy body and you reach out your arms and you feel them start to feel so heavy. And then your legs, they start to feel so heavy too. Even your puppy head feels heavy because you're so tired from all your playing. Feel the warm sunshine on your fur as you lay in the grass, taking deep breaths, letting them in and blowing them out, letting them in and blowing them out. Everything on you feels relaxed and calm. You're content in your little puppy dog park. The dream that you drew with the tree blowing in the wind, its leaves making a soft sound. Do you see them? Do you see the branches blowing above your head? You roll over onto your puppy back and you look up at the sky. You see beautiful clouds floating by. I want you to imagine that you see a big puffy cloud that looks just like your favorite animal. I'm going to imagine that I see a monkey floating by. And then I see another one. You can imagine your favorite animal, or if you can't think of one, you can think about the monkeys. And you'll see 1 cloud, 2 clouds, 3 clouds, 4 clouds, 5 clouds. Okay, little learners, I want you to take a nice deep breath in, and we're going to return to our room now. Nice deep breaths with me. In, 1, 2, 3, and out. 1, 2, 3. Wiggle your little fingers gently and Wiggle your little toes. Raise your head up at the sky. 1, 2, 3. Now lay it back down with your chin on your chest. 1, 2, 3. Now I want you to gently and slowly, when you're ready, open your eyes. You should feel happy and relaxed. Welcome back to your space. This meditation was brought to you by Letter Learning Videos, home of author Vea Lewis. Visit our website for a list of her books with characters like Tiny Tyler. There's also free games and printables there because we want you to have a wonderful day with fun things to do, just like this guided meditation. We hope you enjoyed this meditation, and you can always visit again anytime you feel sad or you feel like you need to go on an imagination journey. We can go together. Goodbye, little learners. I hope you have a wonderful day, or if it's nighttime, I hope you get a wonderful sleep and have some great dreams.